This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. July 12th, 2018. This one here, I gotta go replace the tub drain. It's lead, and she says it's starting to leak. I've been in this job before. I have replaced some piping that was cast iron that was rotted over there, and now she says the lead pipe's starting to leak. So I'm gonna go over there and cut that section out. Cut it out and put some PVC in there. So anyways, I'll try to get you guys some shots when I get there. I remember changing this. This stuff's all been changed. Yeah, so it's got to be that toilet's leaking.
Okay.
Yeah, you could see it. So what we'll have to do is see what we could do with the toilet. You see any water on the floor?
No.
No. Looks like the toilet's loose. Yeah, it must be a broken flange or something. Oh, it's just loose. She's loose as a goose. Looks like the floor's settling. Might have to pull it and put a new wax. We'll see. It's tight now. Like a power flush. It's still leaking. See it dripping? I'm gonna have to pull it. Pull it and put a new wax on it. It's still dripping, so we'll have to. It's a power flush. We'll pull it and put a new wax on it and try it again. The old power flush. Must be enough flange on there, see it? It's a repair flange. I need to put a new wax on there. You got any paper towels and some spray I'll clean under the toilet before I put it back?
Excuse me?
You got any spray and paper towels? The toilet's pretty nasty under there. You want me to clean it before I put it back?
All right.
That probably wouldn't be a bad idea, like any kind of spray and stain or... That's fine. Yeah, as long as I can spray something on there, you know what I mean? I like to clean it before I put it back.
Yeah.
Any kind of clean is fine. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that's fine.
I don't know if it's been opened yet, so it might not go right away after to.
Just try to get some of the big stuff up while I got it all open. And put a new wax and that should be fine. Only way to tell is put it back together and see if we got it. You know, sometimes you do, sometimes you have to do a double, sometimes you have to do it twice. We'll see. I did go downstairs and dry up the water and put a paper towel down so if it leaks it's going to show up. It's going to be fine. Alright, I think that did it. You can see it's been leaking for a while, but before when I flushed it, it would run right down and right on the floor. So I put this down so if it leaks, it would show up. See? So it's not leaking anymore. Good. Needed a new wax.